Things I like to do in the future. My name is Lady Viviana Mejia and this is the level 5. About me. I am Viviana Mejia. In the future, I want to explore new opportunities, learn new skills, and live experiences that will shape who I am. Travel to the world. Paris. I want to go to Paris and visit the Eiffel Tower. They say the tower lights up with thousands of bright lights every hour for 5 minutes. Maldives Island. I want to go to the Maldives because it is a paradise of turquoise waters. I would like to live among coral reefs and turtles. Peru. I want to visit Peru to go to Machu Picchu, an ancient Inca citadel located high in the Peruvian Andes Mountains, and se- one of the seven wonders of the modern world. Learn to play an instrument. One of my goals is to learn to play the piano and express myself through music. They say playing to the piano has a calming and meditative effect. I like it because it is a universal way of communicating without speaking. Building a successful career. I own a small business and I am currently studying business administration. My goal is to be a successful woman, advance professionally, and grow my business through hard work, preparation, and dedication. Start a family. In the future, I would love to have a family and build a happy, loving home. I dream of I dream of a home because I desire a refuge of love and peace. This project reflects my goals and desire to continue growing. I am committed to working hard to achieve all my dreams and build a purposeful future. Thank you.